how to submit a data or privacy request to Nike using official Webform. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial using the official privacy Webform, and here is the exact process for that. So let's get started. So we can go to their official page directly. We can basically search for Nike privacy request and hit enter, and it should provide with this Webform link directly. So go ahead and click on it, and it will directly lead us to this help privacy page. And the form lets you ask about your personal data, corrections, deletion, or any other privacy questions. So fill out this. On the form, first of all, you need to enter up your first name. Go ahead and enter it up. And then your last name. Enter that as well. After that, you need to enter up your email address. Go ahead and enter up your email address used for your Nike account and confirm up your email address here. Once you enter it up, you need to go ahead and select up a category of request, delete, correct, direct, export, etc. After that, a brief description of your issue. So go ahead and provide it in this space and click on this option called submit. And Nike will use this information to identify your account and you process your request. And you can just go over and do so. And while describing your issue, go ahead and write in the description very clearly. For example, if you'd like to request a copy of all of your personal data associated with the Nike account, just go ahead and write it out and ask them to confirm the process and expected time for delivery as well. And then just go and click on submit. After submitting it, Nike will review the request and they may email you to verify your identity, and you will usually receive a response within a few days itself. And that is it. And it's super easy. You just need to go ahead and follow the step and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more.